Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
It's another mild and gray start to your Saturday morning, but at this rate, what else is new? It is 45 degrees right now in Medford, 46 in Grants Pass. We're sitting in the mid-50s along the coast there in Curry County. Down in Siskiyou County, we're still seeing some areas that haven't even made it out of the 30s yet. 37 in Mount Shasta, 35 in Doris, then a chilly start. A cold start to the east of the Cascades. We're below freezing there at Christmas Valley, 31 degrees, 39 degrees in Chemult. So the satellite and radar picture, it's kind of been the same all morning, just tracking this little band of very light showers along the coast in Curry County, starting to make its way into Josephine County. There could be a few sprinkles falling out of the sky right now in Grants Pass, but that's really going to be the extent of what happens today. We're still going to see throughout the day, the course of the day, just very light showers making their way from the west to the east. It looks like the best rain chances are going to be along the Cascades and to the west and to the north of Siskiyou County. We, of course, dry out as we head into Sunday, but for today, again, just mainly dealing with the wet weather. And again, when I say wet weather, I use that term very loosely. We're talking very light showers, again, along the Cascades to the west and north of Siskiyou County. Other than that, it's a very mild day. We're going to be in the 50s once again on the east side, only getting up to 42 at Crater Lake, but the temperatures are pretty uniform today. Of course, minus up there in the elevation of Crater Lake, 50s and lower 60s in our inland and even in our coastal communities. For tonight, of course, you should expect this by now. The fog is going to surge back in to our west side valleys. And so that will reduce visibility once again tomorrow morning. So be mindful of that if you're heading out to church, if you have to get from point A to point B, be sure you are just mindful of the fog situation out there. And tonight, just like our highs today were mild, our lows tonight are going to be on the mild side, 20s and 30s for our east side, 40s and 30s for the west side valley, sitting right at 50 degrees there in Brookings. Now, if you plan on going hiking over the next 3 days in the west side valleys, today, of course, you might run into a shower or two, but if you're planning on going on a hike, still definitely go on that. Don't let the chance of a very light shower deter you from that. Then Sunday and Monday, it is going to be gorgeous outside, great mild weather, dry weather, but the dry weather thing, that's going to be a bit of a problem. We don't have really any rain to speak of. There's a little rain chance on Monday. That's going to be primarily for the coast, but very dry weather. And we're in the midst of wet season too. And of course, we're in the midst of a pretty mild season at that. But with the drought situation we have going on right now, that is certainly not good news. So over the next 7 days along the coast, not a lot of rain. Like we said, we have that rain chance for Monday, but then beyond that, just a mild and a dry pattern. And it's going to be the same for Siskiyou County for the basin, as we're going to show you here in just a second. But just mostly sunny skies. Temperatures will range from the 50s to the 60s. And of course, there's two sides to the coin here. The first side of it is, of course, this is going to be very pleasant weather to get outside and do anything. But like I just mentioned, the drought situation, this is so detrimental to our drought. And so I just really hope with the next drought update we don't regress. We're going to have to wait and see. Hopefully we'll get some wetter weather on down the road in December. But in the Rogue Valley, also being impacted by that dry weather. Chance for showers today, but after that, that's really it.